everyone, so today I thought I would continue the numbers in Finnish. So in my previous videos I've gone up to 19, so I thought I would do the 20s now. I'll first go through the numbers 20 to 29 in their full form, and then after that I'll give you the shortened forms that are more used in daily life and which is what you'll probably hear when you're out and about interacting in Finnish. So going in order, 20 is 20. 20. The literal translation for this means two tens. Two tens. 2 meaning two, 10 tens. 20. 20. 21 is 21. Two tens, one. 21. 21. 22 is 22. 22. 22. 22. 23 is 23. So are you sensing a pattern here? All you need to do is say 20 and then add the number you want to say at the end. So for example, 23, 20, add the 3. 23. 24, 20, and then add 4. 24. 25, 20, add 5. 25. 25. 26, 20, add the number 6, 26. And then similarly, 27, 28 ja 29. 29. So 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 ja 29. So now, I'll let you know the shorter forms, excuse me, which are more often used in speech and in daily interactions. So those forms would be for 20, you would shorten it to 20. 20. 20 means 20. And this is what you will most often hear. 20. Okay, then 21 would be 21. 21. So I believe I went over the shortened forms of 1 through 10, or at least, yeah, 1 through 9 at least, in my previous video that went over those numbers. So you take the exact same shortened numbers from there, so 1 through 9, those shortened forms that I went over in that video, add them on to 20, and that's how you would say the shortened 20s numbers. Yeah, so 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 ja 29. So that's how you would hear it in regular speech most often. Now there is an even shorter way of saying these numbers when you're counting. So if someone's like, I don't know, playing hide and seek or like counting fast up, there is a even shorter way to say these numbers, which you might hear from time to time. So that even shorter form is 20, starting from there. 21, ga ga, ga go, ga ne, ga vi, ga ku, ga se, ga kasi, ja ga ysi. Now this sounds a little funny, but when you're counting and you want to go fast, this is how you would do it. So you'd say 20, ga y, ga ga, ga go, ga ne, ga vi, ga ku, ga se, ga kasi, ga ysi. It goes much faster than saying 21, 22, you know, so that's how they've shortened the numbers so you can go real fast. So I'll just say those again. Ga u, ga ga, ga go, ga ne, ga vi, ga ku, ga se, ga kasi, ga ysi. So those are the numbers in the 20s. So that might feel like a lot, that there's 3 different ways, not necessarily different ways, but there's like 3 lengths of the number you can say. But I want to emphasize that the middle one that I showed you, I taught you. So the 21, 22, that one, that's I think the most important one to know. That's the one that people are going to use in everyday speech. That's the one that comes most naturally when you're talking, and what I think you'll use the most, or which will be most useful to know. So just wanting to highlight that point. And I made a little quiz at the end. It's just for fun, just to kind of consolidate your knowledge. So if you want, take that, and I guess that just about concludes this video. So till next time.